Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. Hope everybody slept well last night. You guys ready to get into ADA? I'm going to go over price predictions for ADA. How high, how low can we go? What are the indicators? What are the whales and institutions doing? We're going to actually take a look at that based off our metrics. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade. You guys want to make some money on ADA? I'm like serious. I will show you guys how to enter a trade here that has a probability, and I'm being serious about this, of over 95% chance of winning. I would say close to 98%. Let me give you guys some proof. We are sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel. We have never lost a crypto trade ever. That does not mean that some of our trades go into drawdown. Let's not get that confused. Some of them are, and I'll show you guys ADA that is. But I will show you guys today how to get into and take a trade in this video that has very good risk management. That's going to be very hard for you guys to lose. And I'm going to be targeting on this trade here, to show this to you guys, a structure high move here of probably around 14. Let's be more conservative here. I would say about 11 to 12% you guys can be making here. I would say about 11%. So 12% actually a structure high. We'll go 12%. I'll show you how to do that in the second half of this video, how to get trading with us, get part of our program, all that fun stuff. I'll show you guys in the second half of the video. Let's go over the technical analysis here first. All right, guys, trend dashboard, looking at the retail traders out there. What are the retail traders looking at? Well, they're looking at a bunch of different things. They are kind of all over the place this morning. Their RSI's bullish, their stochastics bearish, their MACD's bearish, but their moving averages are bullish. What in the world are retail traders going to do this morning? Well, overall, they're probably looking to get confused. I'm not trying to be rude, but this is confusing. All right, if this was all green, I'd be looking to go really hard into selling. If this was all red, I'd be looking to go hard into buying. We trade opposite of the retail traders. All right, take a look at this. Price to swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, the two most powerful indicators we use to predict these markets and how we've actually gone 102 for 102 wins for calling exits. Do you guys see what I see? Look at this. Trend exhaustion pushed up in the top right section. Well, money flow got high. We could not extend any further. We saw this within these 3 to 4 candles. It did not go up any further. We saw the drop back down. What happened prior to this? We saw an extension, an overextension in the trend exhaustion as well as the well money flow. This happened right around this area, and this was what ended up calling the drop back down. Great. The indicators are proving true. We saw that we moved up previously to the top right section of the trend exhaustion. Well money flow was fairly high, and that called the drop here. Interesting. Previous time before that, trend exhaustion was high. Well money flow was high. That called the drop too. And it also called the drop over here when the trend exhaustion got to the top red section. This was high. And we also called the entire drop over here when the trend exhaustion was high and well money flow was high over here. Yes, guys, the accuracy of this is actually ridiculous. Honestly, this indicator is about 80% accurate. It is one of the highest accurate indicators you guys can use. It's the trend exhaustion and price to swell money flow together. Look at these times. And if you guys want to come in here and look at this, I'm sorry I had this in the way here, but I'll show you when I remove this. This called the moves down here as well, right there. We're looking at literally on the charts here, you guys can see right here, and over here. Every single time we are seeing the trend exhaustion move up in the top right section and well money flow is moving up, we are seeing the drops. We are seeing the drops here, and this right here is correlated. If you go straight up with me and you look at this, that is exactly correlated. Sorry, I went to the right a little bit. That's correlated to the drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 calls in a row. Not saying it's going to keep blasting up, but saying, hey, watch for the drop. Did we get the drop? Yes, we got the drop 13 times in a row. The power you now have in your hands with these two indicators is pretty incredible. Now watch this. When the trend exhaustion gets low and well money flows low, what do we get to do? We get to predict pumps in the market, guys. This is awesome. Like, we literally were able to call this move up here because the price was moving down here, creating a low and another lower low. But if you look straight, let me clean this up. Look at this. Look at this chunk right here. This is all I want you guys to look at. What happened? Price action was moving down. What happened during this phase here? We saw well money flow moving up, trend exhaustion moving up. What happened? It was the precursor, guys, to the pump in the market for ADA. You can't have money flowing into the market without a pump going up. Get these indicators. They're in the description. You guys know where to find them. Don't miss them. They're going to make you a ton of money. All right, let's go now over, I want to go over ADA for the metrics here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now that's going to be very hard to lose. And you're probably going to like it. Probably targeting around 11%. All right, emotional index for 88. We're sitting into the greedy section up here. That's where we were on this pump. No wonder why it headed down, because everybody was super greedy. This also had a touch of a descending trend line that I want to show you guys very quickly on the charts. Let's go like this. We're going to look at that. Boom. All right. Perfect touch here. We saw him move back down. So that got into play too. It synced up exactly with our indicators. You guys have these indicators show like this at the top sections with the trend line up here. That is like literally almost a quote unquote guaranteed move down. Like it's very hard, very extremely hard for that to move back up. All right, so looking for Wells Institution to short this out, and I'll show that to you guys in a second. Long versus short trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex. All right. Getting a little Australian accent, I guess, here. Short trades are moving out here. Long trades are moving out a little bit here, too. So this tells me that long trades are not super confident that we're going to keep heading up because we already moved up. That makes sense in my opinion. But short trades are not increasing, saying that we're going to keep going down here further. So this is kind of a stalemate right now with long and short trades being equal. However, I'm going to show you guys how to get in here, take advantage of this if it goes up or if it goes down so you guys can make money. Trades in favor. I renamed this to say trades in favor. Wherever the blue metric line is shows you which trades are in favor. We pushed up here to a great short trade. Right when we pushed up there, guys, what did you see happened? Right around this good short trade and great short trade area, the market reversed. Right when we hit down here to a great long trade, the trade in favor was what? It was a long trade. The market went up. Trades in favor over here were great short trades. You made a killing on the move back down. Do you guys see how you're making money with these metrics now if you are simply just waiting for us to get low here, taking long trades with our system? That's increasing your win rate incredibly greater. Okay, move down here. Well, institutional smart money. What are these guys doing? They are coming out with ridiculous short trades on the market, which is dropping ADA here. That is what we have already seen, this drop back down. No way whatsoever were Wells and institutions and smart money going to give up that trade here when they saw this pump. They took out their short trades incredibly strong here. Last time they did this, they tanked ADA into the bear market that we got down here. And then guess what, guys? Here's your membership. When you guys get this, you get access to all these metrics and all of our coins. Get over here and make as much money as you guys want. Look at this. When retail traders are freaking out because the price is going down, what do you clearly see happening with smart money? They're acquiring long trades. What's happening? The market's going back up. Okay, once you learn and just simply watch this metric here, you guys are going to be totally different traders. This is how we're not losing trades. And if you've ever lost trades in a row consistently, I got to be honest, guys, it's because you're getting emotional. Start trading with us, you'll start trading with smart money, and you might never lose a trade ever again. We are literally 102 for 102. We're actually a lot higher than that, and I'll prove that to you. But that's where we're currently at. All right, support and resistance prices, guys. The next support is 139. That's the greatest level of support, as well as 135. So let's take a look at this. When you guys up your buy limits, 130, excuse me, let me go back over here. Let's say 130, yeah, 139, 140. Okay. So we're basically very close to this. It's this structure right here. I want you guys to set up your buy limits this morning for ADA if you have extra cash or you want to get into this trade. Because I'm going to show you guys in this video how it's going to be very hard to lose this next trade for ADA. All right, very hard. We got into some higher positions. So the favor that you guys are going to have taking this trade I'm about to show you is going to be incredible. You will most likely come away with about 7 to 8%, I would say, on this next trade, if not a whole lot higher. I'll show that to you guys. Okay, coming down here, dollar cost average entries. We are looking at people, if you have $10,000 to throw $1,000 in the market at each of these green lines, and we're looking to hold for the long term. Great job, guys, for holding for 5 to 10 years. These are good entries. Now look at this down here. Exit points come out with a block over here saying that we're looking for a move down. That's why this was overextended, giving us a clear sign that we could be moving back down, and we did. All right. Overall, the metrics that you guys are looking at this morning, as well as the indicators, we are overall looking that we are more bullish. Trend exhaustion is getting closer to the bottom red section. Well, money flow is getting lower to the bottom here. This is where I'm looking for a bounce back up. We are also looking for the bounce off of basically the previous structure high. It's a break and a retest formation that could actually start shooting 80 up even higher. Do you guys want to see now how to get into a trade that's going to be extremely hard to lose, and you guys will probably target, I would say, around 7 to 8%. Let's do this right now. Let's make some money. Because if the market goes up, guys, here's my own account, guys. Literally $95,000, $100,000 I'm trading with. We're only down 4.3%. If this market goes up and you guys are in the trade that I'm about to show you, I'm going to make money as well because I'm already in this, and I'm going to go up by the thousands of dollars. So join us. Check it out. Here's what you guys do. Our program you guys want to come over here and trade with, we have the highest win rate on YouTube. It is the cheapest this membership as well. It is only $49 a month. Get this, do not procrastinate. Secure your spot because we are upping the monthly membership to $95 a month starting February 25th. But you will never have to pay $95 a month if you just get in right now at $49. We grandfather everybody in. If you literally want to hold your membership for the next 10 years, or however long we're in business, which I never plan on going out, we're just planning on increasing, hold it for as long as we're in business at $49 while everybody else is paying $95. You get to do that if you are in right now. So do not pass this up. Okay, that membership is going to unlock all of the metrics on our website for each of our coins, and it's going to unlock the live trades. So let's come over here because this is where the moolah is about to be made. Okay, scroll down and come over here to Cardano. This is where you guys want to click. You want to click this link right here that says Cardano Live Trading. See how my cursor turns from that to a pointer, cursor. Click this right here. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our paying subscribers. But watch this, all right? Here's what you guys are going to do. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics are going to update, which is going to be 1:19, and it's 7:18, so we still have time here till 8 o'clock. On ADA, on all of our coins, this is what you're going to do. Take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, guys. What you're going to do is simply split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, okay? $250 at each buy limit. Set all your buy limits up at the exact same... Hold on, guys. I'm like faking it over here. Can I just get some water real quick? I'm sorry, guys. I'm like, can't even like talk over here. I'm just trying to like push through it. Hold on one second. All right, thank you guys so much. All right, let's get back to making money. So if you guys have $1,000, you choose the amount that you guys want, okay? Split it into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. $250 at this buy limit, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here. Okay, set them all up. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up over here as I show you guys. Now, once your buy limits are set up for Dogecoin, for ADA, for any of our coins, follow me in the Telegram channel. I'm going to act as your guys' coach, and I'm going to show you guys how to exit in the profit with our indicators, with the trades that are currently active. Set up a Telegram channel on your phone or your computer, get into the membership, click this link here, and then you guys will be automatically added into our membership where we're calling exits with the price risk while money flow and the trend exhaustion. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to get into the ADA trade, but here's what you guys need to know. You need the indicators. You absolutely have to have the price risk while money flow and the trend exhaustion to take advantage of this trade because I'm literally going to show you guys how to exit for a profit. Do not miss this. Pay attention right now. You guys want to get these 3 indicators hands down. It is the price risk while money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. However, it is way better to get the bundle pack because this is not only going to save you guys 21% more on top of the 3 indicators, but you guys are going to get all, it's way down here, you're going to get all 9 of these indicators with the bundle pack. All 9 of these you guys are going to get for basically the same price of these 3 indicators. These 3 indicators right here, these are all going up in price in the next few days. This coming next Friday, January 28th, we are upping the price of all 3 of these indicators right here. This is the last time you can get them this cheap. The best way to secure this, to make it the cheapest for you guys, to get the best value, is to get the bundle pack, which is literally 81% off today. You want to get that bundle pack, all right? Get them on your charts. That's what we're going to be using. Okay, ADA. Here's what you're going to do, guys. Get over to our membership, sign up, and come over to ADA and click right here, ADA, boom, Cardano. Set up your 4 buy limits. This is what you guys are going to see. You're going to see a buy limit somewhere around here. You're going to see a second, a third, and a fourth. All right. Once your first buy limit gets hit, and you guys are set up in your exchange, awesome. All you're going to do is wait for the trend exhaustion to move back up into the top red section here and the well money flow to get up high here as well. Just like I showed you guys, we called the last, 12 drops we called over here. You're simply going to wait for the trend exhaustion to get back into the profit, which I think is going to be correlated pretty close to the structure high here, which that's going to be around, I would say about 8% profit. Did we say about 8 to 9%? Let me get an exact target on here. No, I'm sorry guys, about 12% profit I would be targeting on this trade. So here's the thing, the cool part. If you guys get in right now, that's about a 12% trade you can take. But what happens if the price goes against you? You are totally secure in this trade. Why? Because just like our trade over here where we got into the first, second, and third buy limit down here, we haven't hit our 4th one, our break-even entry did not stay up here at the first one. It broke down and it's been moving down ever since then. We have saved ourselves on this trade alone over here. I guess I got to take this off for a second. Look at this. We have saved ourselves from our entry down here a total of 15.43% by doing nothing, guys. Literally, I was joking about this, but I literally think when this buy limit got hit, I was playing golf with my brother. If I go back and I'm thinking about the time frame correctly. I saved myself 15% on a trade playing golf. And now when this thing goes back up into the profit, not only do I have one buy limit in here, let's, for the example, it was 250, 250, 250, 250. I've got about $2,000 into each buy limit here. Now I have $6,000 in the buy limit. Now when I break above my break-even entry, I'm going to make 3 times more profit than if I were to just put all my money up here and have the first buy limit hit. This is how, if you guys get in right now and you guys take that trade setup on ADA on the website at tradeconfident.io, you get in here, you sell here when the trend exhaustion is high. That's how you guys can make the money. But if it goes down, don't worry. I want you to celebrate, because if the second buy limit is hit, the break-even entry is going to come down below here. You're going to get a better break-even entry, and you're going to make more money as it goes up. This is why people are emailing us, and they're saying things like this. They're like, okay, this guy down here, he's like, buy the indicators and listen to Travis, the end. This guy down here is like, this is my first big win in your system, and let me start from the beginning. I took the second position on ADA based off your indicators. Talking about ADA, this is awesome. In your teachings, I got sold out in this current pump for 15.5% or $1,000 profit, guys. This is my first big win with your system, and I will only do it your way from now on. People, buy the indicators and listen to Travis, the end. Okay, it sounds weird me saying that. It's better for you guys just to read it there. But seriously, guys, look at this guy. Entered ADA at 118, sold 50%, 29% profit with our indicators in our system. People are making a crazy amount of money over here, guys. This is insane. Look at this guy down here. He does $7,000 between ADA and Mana. This guy does $2,200 in the past 7 days with Ethereum and Doge. This guy down here does 25 trades in a row. Where does this guy go? I got to find this guy. This guy's insane. 25 trades in a row he's done. He's grown his account about 50% in the last 6 weeks. This guy does $20,000 in cryptos and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow. Look at all these testimonials, guys. This thing absolutely works. My account should be down based off market structure about 40 to 50%, and we're only down like 4.3% in the account, guys. And if you get into this trade, you take this and wait for the trend exhaustion to come up here, you could literally secure yourself about 10 to 12% profit. And I don't think this is going to be hard to win. And if it goes down, guess what? You have insurance on your trade with 4 buy limits. Here's the thing I'm going to end with. You guys want even more value? Let me show you how to set up an alert so you don't even have to be next to your charts to get an alert for when to exit this trade. This is so awesome. Okay, set up an alert over here. Go to alert settings. Now, you guys do need to have a pro account with TradingView. If you have a free account, that's fine. Just watch when the trend exhaustion gets up here. Guys, we took over 100 trades in a row that we won with never using the alert. Ever. I just checked the charts during a daily basis. I'm serious about that. I just started showing you guys how to set up alerts 3 days ago if you guys have been following me on the videos. Here's what you guys do. You want to get an alert when you get to the top red section, click this, go trend exhaustion up here. I don't know why it's moving over. Oh well. Click once per bar and click between watch for pump or watch for drop. You guys can watch for a pump too. I come down here and put once per bar close. Here's what I'm going to do. ADA, and we're going to do watch for pump. W-A, see if I can actually type here. Watch for pump. Okay, watch for pump. Awesome. And then you're going to click create. I now have an alert that's going to give me an alert here when the trend exhaustion white line crosses above this red section right here. That's going to give us an alert. If you guys see the price for swell money flow high as well, that is signaling a drop that could be happening soon. All you guys do, take some profit. Literally, this could be one of the easiest 10% trades that you guys win. I'm serious, guys. Here's a free trade up you guys take right now. Make sure you're using our buy limits to get into the risk management, because as it goes down, I've set our buy limits in specific areas where you guys will be able to see the greatest levels of bounces to make your money back the fastest. That's why it's so incredibly important to use our entries over here, as well as the metrics, and me in the Telegram channel. I'm going to show you guys how I'm exiting my trades so you guys can follow me into the profit. This is amazing, guys. Have an amazing day. God bless you. Get the indicators in the description. Set up this trade right now. We're looking at targeting about, let me see the price range on this, targeting right around about 11 to 12% on this trade. That's what I'm calling out for you guys. Great risk management you're going to have, and you guys can probably win this if you just watch the trend exhaustion get back up here. You guys now know everything of how to trade this system. Get the indicators before they go up in price. You guys have 10 days left. Few days left, and they're all going up in price to the 3 that we're using here. Get those. Make sure you guys are getting the membership before that goes up in price as well, because that's going up here in just a few days here. Next month, we're going to up this to $95. Get in. I'll grandfather you guys in forever, and make sure you guys are getting the indicator bundle pack, and that's all in the description. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Let's make some money. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.